What's up, guys? I'm going to be doing a bike check today. My bicycle. Starting from the top here, we've got stolen Vortex bar ends. A lot of wear. We have next ODI long neck grips. Some wear, so they're very comfortable. Keep going down, we got the Primo Samsquatch bars. Got the indent. And right here we've got the Primo Annihilator version 1 stem. It's got the hole in the middle. Right here we've got the fit fork bolt with the fit Blade2 fork. Right here we have the Primo headset. No problems. Pretty nice with like 2 spacers. So coming down here we have the Primo 7 series rim. It's very nice. Laced to a 4-flangeless hub. Primo, of course. And the tire is the Maxxis Grifter tire. Very nice. Coming in the middle, we got a fit Kevlar seat. Very nice seat. We have a random seat post and integrated seat clamp. Oh, I forgot to mention the frame. Frame is stolen cherry with a spiral down tube. And right here we have the Colonial sprocket. Very nice design to it. Hasn't ovalized, and I've had it since I began riding, so it's really nice. Hasn't messed up or anything. It's very strong. Cranks are the Colonial cranks. They don't wear like the other ones do. Still got the paint and everything on them. Very nice. Got a hollow axle. Right here we got the Primo Stricker PC pedals. They got a lot of grip. They're really nice. Right here we got the stolen shackled chain. Hate it. It's terrible. Don't get it. It skips links so much. And back here we have the same setup. Primo 7000 rim. Maxxis Grifter tire. Laced to a Primo Remix Hub. That's about it. Having an edit, or I'm in the midst of making one right now, I guess you could say. It's coming along pretty good. It'll be up about the end of this month, hopefully. And yeah, I'm getting there. So keep watching, look out for that edit. Hopefully it'll be pretty big. Alright.